Today I would like to show you how to create assets in Affinity Designer. We will create a vase collection which you can later use again and again for your surface pattern designs and illustrations. So let's open Affinity Designer now. You need to create a curve, give it a stroke color. I'll use black. And set the weight quite high as we can play around with the thickness later. In the pressure settings, the left corner determines the thickness of the beginning of the stroke, which in my case is right here. If I press Alt on the keyboard and pull down this node, the stroke gets thinner on the top. The right corner determines the thickness of the end of the stroke, which is here. Now the only thing you need to do is make a few nodes in the pressure panel and play around with the nodes to get a nice shape for a vase. Here are a few ideas what shapes of vases you could create. When you are happy with what you created, go to Layer, Expand Stroke. This will turn the curve into a shape. If you want, you can decorate the vases in this step to have them ready to use. Then select the assets in the panel. If you can't find them, go to Window and tick Assets. Go to the hamburger menu and click Create New Category. Give this category a new name and click OK. You will automatically get a subcategory called Assets. You can rename this subcategory by clicking the hamburger menu next to it and choosing Rename. Open the subcategory and simply drag your newly created vases into it. You can drag all of them at the same time. If you enjoyed this video, I believe you will love one of my previous videos where I speak about my favorite Affinity Designer tips that allow me to create my surface pattern designs faster. You can find the link in the comment section below. Let me know if you found this video useful and see you in the next one. Ciao!